from Temu because they're cheap cost.
So I decided to buy 5 to 6 years, but this one looks 5 to 6 years like, because right now in Abuja.
Staring at the tapestry above the bed you gave me. I still haven't washed my sheets, cause
First thing is, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Don't start. So I got a few things for her from Temu, and it's happened like this. I saw this thing, an advert on Temu. They said free shipping or so thereabout. So I decided to check it out. Oh, there is can you stay one place? So I decided to check it out, and on me checking it out, it not turned to me buying something. It just tired myself. I didn't intend to buy something, so I decided to check it out, and it not turned to me buying something. Now I have to buy something, so I just had to pick out a few things for me. But anyway, they said they'll send me my free gift. I don't know if they'll send me the free gift, but we're going to check it out together. Sorry, this, you people remember Daisy, right? She's now a big dog. She was tiny before, but now she's big. Sit. And she likes to play. So let's get today's video started. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on the video to watch. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. Daisy is still one place, not in the mood. So this is it. I just hope they are what I order, but it's what I got. Wait now.
Oh my god, this is cute!
Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3 outfits. Then this and this. Okay, this is the free gift, I think so. But we are going to check it out together. So the first outfit, let me open this one first. Days! Dog, pikin. I don't tire. Not bad, sha. I'll put a picture of the outfit. Oh, this is nice. I bought 5 to, I think 5 to.
You also have a skirt.
Yeah, I bought 5 to 6 years because I didn't want to buy her something small. So I decided to buy 5 to 6 years, but this one looks 5 to 6 years like as if I can wear it. And this is the skirt. This is oversized, but anyway, she will grow with it because these children nowadays, they grow like ugly. So I'm going to wear it for her, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's not big, oh. Look at it. Not bad. She's going to use it to grow. So this is the shirt. Oh, it's nice. It's her size.
It even has a bow.
Turn your back. It's fine. The material is very, very light. Okay, so it's good for this heat now because right now in Abuja the heat is too much, so the material is really, really light. I like that the material is very light. So this is number 1. What I'm going to open is this 2-piece. I got her most of 2-piece. Okay, this is the short. The material too is light, and this is the top. But this is what I thought was what I got. The color was very, very vibrant on Temu app. This color here, it ain't vibrant. This one, I hope it does not do wash. But anyway, let me test it for her. It's a 2-piece. Okay, this one is her size.
The shirt is my size.
Let's check the shirt.
I don't think it will go.
Which one is the front and which one is the back? Look at it. Which one is the front and which one is the back? Wait, I'll check. Okay, this is 4 to 5 years. So this should be.
It's a 4 to 5.
Yeah, 4 to 5. That's why I bought it. I have to wear it with how it has. Not pull it though. It's not pulling. If you pull it too much, the material will stretch. I don't want the material to stretch. The short is okay.
What is that black thing?
This is it at the back. Stay one place. Turn. This is the back. It's not bad. But I don't know why it has this one in back. Anyway, it's not bad.
How about
Our stomach is not going to show that much. So it's just small belly button something. This is Singapore. Go back. This is the last one. So this is a light fabric. Okay, it's good for the heat. That is why I bought it. So this is the last one. As I said, they are all 2-piece clothes. And this one is trouser. This is how this one looks like. Ooh, it's fine.
It's long.
And this is a shirt too. It's very, very fine and it's long. It's also 4 to 5 years, I think.
I think if I reach 4 or 5.
Size 20. You don't know the other size 120. But anyway, I click 4 to 5 years. So let's test it. Oh yeah, come this side. Yeah, this side. So look. Right, this one, the trouser is long. The trouser is very, very, very long. But anyway, not bad. She wears shoe. She wears shoe. Then this is the shirt. Come here. Let's wear the shirt first, then before you wear your shoe. Come and wear your shirt. Oh yeah, let's wear your shoe. I want to buy her new shoe. She loves this shoe plenty. Too much. She have other shoe, but see this one is a must. She must wear this one.
I pick different shoes. Stop being angry, you guys.
Get up. Oh, my baby has become a big girl. My girl. Mish. See my baby. So guys, these are the last thing I bought. Not bought. This is a free gift from Temu. This bag, I think I've done a video about this. Is a cheesecloth, a cheese bag. Okay, so this one I'm going to use this one for my hair videos. I use the other one for my juice, so this one is going to be for my hair videos. Then in that free items I was supposed to pay, because they divided into 6 places. So each 20,000 I spent, I get 2 free items. Me, I was thinking that if I only spend only 120,000, they'll give me all my free items. My brother, my sister, my master one place. My brother, my sister. After I finish buying something worth 20,000, I decided to do ship. I ship finish. Then I said I need to get the remaining 4 items I have. I need to reorder. I need to order something again worth 20,000. They will put 2 inside. Like that's the last time I'm to order something that worth 60k for them to give me those 6 items. I said I know they buy again. I know do. But anyway, this is the earring. I saw it. Ooh, it's very fine. I saw it and I said to get it for myself. But now my madam is saying she wants the earring. So come on, let me put it on your ear. Let's see if it will enter your ear. It has 2 hooks. A girl child. I sit. Oh my god. Sorry. She doesn't know that she's still small. This earring is not supposed to be for her. But anyway, this is how the earring looks like on her ear. It's fine, Sha. It's fine. Not bad.
How about the other one?
No, you're not wearing it today. It's just to test. Keep it. You're going to keep it back. It's when you're going out.
You wear it for me.
If you're going somewhere, like buy the part, I can wear it for. It's not grocery shopping and wear you big earring because you're going to go and buy food. So thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not. Like, share, and comment. This is everything I bought from Temu. Temu is a very, very good shop. Just that sometimes they will trick you.
Don't buy anything from Temu because they trick us.
Don't mind her. Buy things from Temu, but sometimes they will trick you to buy things because me, I was thinking that it's just a free gift I will get. I don't need to buy something. No, not knowing that you need to buy something to get your free gift. Yes. Alright, I'll see you all in my next video. This one was kind of chaotic, a chaotic unboxing with us. Bye. Bye.